Janata Party, as smaller parties are preparing to take the final decision whether to back Vijay or not. A big statement has come in from Tamil Nadu BJP chief, wherein the Tamil Nadu BJP chief has said that they will accept the mandate of the people. Let me go across to my colleague Meghna. We'll be going across to Meghna in just a bit to get you a sense of the entire statement, in fact, that has been put out by BJP. According to the statement by Tamil Nadu BJP chief, the BJP is committed to the welfare and progress of people of Tamil Nadu and had participated in the election process with the same fervor, and they gracefully have accepted the mandate of the people. Meghna joining us for more. Yes, Meghna.
Well, there's an interesting one coming in from the BJP, Hina, as you were pointing out. This is says that BJP, which is committed to the welfare and the progress of the people and had participated in the electoral process with the same fervor. However, the election results are gracefully accepted by our party. We feel that the people of Tamil Nadu have not given any mandate for the BJP to form the government because, remember, they won only one seat. We sincerely respect the will and the mandate of the people of Tamil Nadu, do not wish to align our party in any attempt to form the new government in the state of Tamil Nadu. Therefore, we do not wish any active participation in the process. But why have they put it out at this juncture is the question, Hina. Because right now, when we are looking realistically, there are only two options. First option is that Vijay forms a government with the support of smaller alliance partners. That is going to be on the precondition that BJP is not going to be part of it. The second scenario is AIADMK and the DMK coming together, AIADMK forming the government, DMK gives outside support. Even there, the precondition is BJP cannot be part of the AIADMK. Only two scenarios which are shaping up. Both of them are sans the BJP. And now you have this letter coming out. We do not want our one MLA to be part of any alliance.
Well, absolutely. An interesting clarification there coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Thank you very much, Meghna. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on the story. Let me go across to my colleague Kritika as well for more on this. She's been actively tracking the AIADMK camp. So are we then given to understand that AIADMK could also unfriend the Bharatiya Janata Party the way Congress unfriended the DMK? Otherwise, why is this resort politics really happening?
Well, Hina, as we've been reiterating on Times Now for a while now, no permanent enemies, no permanent friends in politics. And currently, AIADMK is solely, however, focused on getting a stake to form the government. Could that mean also saying bye to the BJP? It seems very likely, in fact, because if there has to be any support for the AIADMK, even from outside by the DMK, that could not happen with the BJP on the table as well. You know, because their entire, in fact, if they do end up going ahead with this plan of action, then their entire call to action is also based on how this is to preserve the nature of Dravidian politics in the state of Tamil Nadu and not let outsiders and not let, in fact, people with less political experience with that of different...
Kritika, I'm interrupting you there. Stay on with us. More breaking inputs coming in as we speak, and a flurry of activity outside Vijay's residence as well is what we can tell you, as smaller parties getting ready to back Vijay. What we have learnt is that Adav Arjuna of the TVK has come to meet Vijay. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Pratibha, who's going to be joining us in just a bit, and we'll get an update on what is really happening. Because now it seems Vijay and top TVK leaders are in a huddle mode at this point in time, because at 4:30 we have learned he's again going to have a meeting with the Tamil Nadu governor, Rajendra Arlekar. This is going to be Vijay's third meeting with the governor. Pratibha joining us live right now for more on this. Pratibha, what's happening at Vijay's residence?
Well, a lot of activity has already started here. A lot of meetings were taking place. Now let's take you through what's happening at the residence. We are at the Chennai residence of Vijay, and you can see a lot of supporters here who have gathered as the news picks pace that Vijay could be headed out of here. He could be meeting the governor shortly. A lot of supporters have now gathered to just catch a glimpse of him. A lot of meetings have been taking place. Currently, just a few moments ago, Adav Arjuna, one of the key strategists of the party, also just entered the residence. A little while ago, we also had Sengotian, one of the veteran leaders who are part of the TVK from the ADMK jump strip and now part of the TVK. He is also inside. So currently meetings are going on with Vijay. The question still continues on whether the support is going to come in from the parties, the CPI, CPM and the VCK. It all is now dependent on whether that support is going to come. Information coming in that they are likely to extend support, but this comes amid a lot of speculations that have been going on as well. Let me just quickly show you what the supporters are saying. Not a chance for Vijay as the supporters are waiting to see him as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Now, in the next few hours, we will know what is actually going to happen. And considering that there is a lot of supporters who have gathered here, there is adequate security.
Right.
And,
Pratibha, stay on with us. Another very important update coming in from Tamil Nadu. Now we have learned that the meeting with the governor has been pushed to 6 o'clock now. So instead of 4:30, now the meeting is going to happen around 6 o'clock is the latest update that we've got. Let's quickly go back to Pratibha for more on this. Pratibha, now it really adds up because if around 4:30 the official decision of the smaller parties is likely, then after that perhaps it makes more sense for Vijay to go and meet the governor.
Yes, and this is going to be very, very crucial, Hina, because over the last few hours, we've also heard a lot of speculation and some sort of confirmation also coming in from the DMK that perhaps if the ADMK stakes claim to form the government, then the DMK will provide outside support. So that time was getting extremely crucial. Now we are told that a meeting could take place between Vijay and the governor at 6 p.m. So this means that this is the third meeting in the last 3 days. But the question is, what has changed from yesterday to today? Because yesterday in the meeting, the governor asked Vijay very clearly if you have the numbers, asking Vijay to get the letters of support. If today there's going to be another meeting, the question is, does Vijay now have the letter of support from the parties?
Right. That remains to be seen. Hopefully by 4:30, there's going to be more clarity. Thank you very much for the moment, all of you, for joining us with your inputs. This is going to be our top focus ahead as well. For now, slipping into a very short break. Don't go in.